everyone, and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be drawing a really cute cat. So all you're going to need is some drawing supplies, pencil, color pencils, crayons, whatever you have. Doesn't matter. Let's go grab them and get started. So I recommend doing this in pencil in case you make a mistake, but you could always do it in anything and just practice a couple of times. So we're going to start by drawing an oval. And you can go over this oval a few times until you get the right shape. Then we're going to put some pointed ears. They're going to go up a little straight and then over. And do the same on both sides. And now we're going to draw our body. It's going to be almost like a teardrop shape. It comes out wide for the shoulders. It comes in narrow for the front paws, wide for the shoulders, narrow for the front paws. And then we can draw a little wavy line. And then we'll draw two lines coming up. These are our front paws. And now we'll draw our back hind legs. Next, we'll add on our tail, and you can decide what kind of cat you want. I'm going to do a nice fluffy tail. Add in our whiskers. I'm going to draw lines on top to show the paws. Go ahead and give our eyes. And our mouth. We can put spots on it. We could put, oh, we can't forget our nose. Little triangle for our nose. And then from there we can add any kind of details we want. We want to put some spots on our cat. I'm going to go ahead and put a lot of spots on this guy. I think that'll be cute. Almost like a cheetah cat. Now that I'm happy with my spots and the shape, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to outline it in my black marker. I'm picking my best line. And I'm drawing it confidently. One of the keys to doing like a little cartoonish drawing like this is to do your marks with confidence. And it's okay if they might look a little silly. I think they kind of even out at the end. And now we can go ahead and color in our cat. So I think I'm going to do black spots. what I said, it's sometimes nice to mix your media. So I colored in my spots with black, and now I'm going to color in the rest of my cat with a crayon. So I can kind of just go over my black marker, not have to be too careful. I'm still not on purpose going over those areas. But if I go a little bit, I don't have to be as careful. And if your pencil lines show, you could go ahead and erase them before coloring in. And remember, even on your cat, we can go ahead and we can blend our colors. So I can do more than one layer of brown. It's going to make it look a little bit more compelling. I'm going in with my second layer. And this is how we elevate a simple drawing. By layering, by blending. And there we go. There is my cute, simple little cat. So I hope you had fun making your cute little simple cat today. I think he turned out quite adorable, and I'd love to see, did you do spots? Did you do stripes? What kind of cat did you draw? So you can always post on social media, tag me in it. I'd love to see it. And remember, drop a comment below to tell me what you'd like to see in future videos. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. Let me know. Subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.